Good morning. Welcome to day 9 of Lying in Bed, Wellness and Yoga with Soulkatha. I hope you're happy and well because this morning we're going to let go of things we don't need. So maybe at this moment you can just get to the middle of the bed if that's okay. Perhaps if you can do without the pillow, that'll be nice. It'll aid in a little more movement this morning. Legs apart, feet apart, toes pointing to opposite sides of the room, and hands apart. Arms away from the body, palms facing the ceiling. Just coming alive to yourself. As we let go of things this morning, letting go of what we don't need, what doesn't serve us. And it can happen with our intention for it. It can happen with little creaks in the body. And sometimes what we hold within us is released with just a little movement, a little conscious movement. So as you're just adjusting yourself, feeling the earth supporting you, holding you, gently come alive to your breath. You are already breathing, you're just paying a little attention to it now. The rise of the chest, the fall of the abdomen and chest as you breathe out. With each breath, knowing you are supported. With each exhale, letting go of what you don't need. With the next inhale, I'd like you to just breathe in. And with the next exhale, I'd like you to twist to one side. Inhale and move your neck to the other side. Just feel the support of the bed, couch, ground, wherever you're at. You're not really moving anything in the sense of applying any force. You're taking the support of the earth, while you just gently feel your way through the muscles in your neck. Inhaling, exhaling. How does that feel for you? Twists are a great way of just letting go of inner cleansing. And you taking the time to do this will give you that sense of inner power of letting go of what you don't need. Still staying with the breath. Inhale, exhaling out. Inhale, exhaling out. And with the next inhale, if you could just bring your arms up for me. The next exhale, twisting to one side if that's comfortable. Still on the bed, still relaxed. Only going as far as your body is taking you this morning. Inhaling and exhaling to the other side. Telling yourself, I'm letting go of what I don't need. Perhaps some traces of anger. Perhaps traces of disgust, envy. We all have all of that. We're all human. But sometimes it doesn't serve us. Patterns of, oh, why me? Maybe letting go of that. Why not me? Inhaling whatever it is that you need this morning. And exhaling, letting go of what you think you don't need. Perhaps you don't know what you want to let go of. And then you leave that to the universe. Just letting go of what doesn't serve me is what you could say. Inhaling, exhaling. You might feel that your breath is naturally lengthening as you do this. Enjoy that. Embrace it. Staying with the exhale for just a little longer each time. And if it feels right for you this morning, as you lie down, perhaps just bring one knee up and twist it over to one side. The other leg is still straight. And then bringing up the other knee. Inhaling here, exhaling, twisting over to the other side. Your neck could be on the other side if that's easy for you. So your knee is going towards one side and your neck is on the opposite side, if that's comfortable for you this morning. Inhaling, opposite knee in, and exhaling. Inhaling whatever it is that will power your day into a positive, beautiful day. Exhaling, letting go of thoughts, patterns, beliefs that you don't need. Today and forever. Inhaling, bringing up your knee, and exhaling this time. It's just staying in the exhale for a little longer. You're not forcing anything, just stay only as long as you need to. Inhale and exhale, staying here. And this time when you bring up your knee on inhale, and just exhale right here. Stay here for a couple of breaths if that feels right for you. Inhaling into your chest, exhaling from your abdomen. Inhaling and exhaling, letting go of whatever it is that you don't need. Feeling that stretch. On the other side, inhaling, exhaling. With each breath, try and feel a deeper stretch. Our body carries emotion. It carries our beliefs. With this body and breath, we can change to become more positive, happier, lighter. Staying here again for a couple of breaths, if that feels right for you. Last one. Staying with the deepening of the breath. You probably only feel the breath in your chest and only let go from the abdomen. And when you're done, just breathing in with your arms and exhaling, letting go. You can hold your arms up like this if that feels right for you. And exhaling, letting go. One last time. And letting go. Beautiful. Come up to one side if that feels right and hug yourself. Shine brighter with Soulkatha.